Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. This is a bit of a late post, late sharing of my May CraftyBonbons box. So I do apologize about that. It's been really busy. So let's see what we got in this month's box. I think this month's theme is very like summery, I think, fruity, as I think. First up is the thank you so much CraftyBonbons leaflet. All of their details are in this leaflet, so do check them out. And this month I think I've asked for a B6 size notebook. Oh, that's really nice, pomegranate. So I have a grid notebook that will be very useful for me. And then you get, and then you get a, oh, what's this? It's like a bunch of, oh, hello, stamp like stickers. But it's all fruit related, so you get a lot in this little packet. They're strawberries, they're mostly strawberries. Cute. Okay, and then you get a bit of teal or minty teal, I don't know what color is this, like ribbon. I think it's more teal, light teal, something like that, ribbon. You also get a roll of washi tape. It's like very fruity. Got fruits in there. You get a pen. I'm sure this is black. Yeah, it's black. So you also get a packet of die cuts. And again, this is very fruit related. So, die cuts of fruit. You get the lemon, the oranges, the strawberries. This will be good for like gardening, journaling, or just decorating your planner as being like a fruity month or week. Different sort of fruit. Beautiful. They're beautiful. I'm not entirely sure whether they're hand drawn by Ali, but they are very beautiful. And then you get a paper clip, and it says squeeze the day. Oh, I know this. I think this the theme is squeeze the day for this box, which is fruit related. You get another set of die cuts, but this time it's like fruity drinks. So cute. I love it. Yeah, love it. Love it. So good for like documenting summer barbecues as well. Get various ephemera and die cuts. So these ones are the, I'm not gonna, so that's a watermelon, that's a banner, and you got some little Polaroidy things, and a pineapple, whatchamacall that, a pleat, some corner things. This is special banner, smiley face, and Polaroids. And then another die cut packet. Ooh, this is cute, and they're really hard, so they can, that is so cute. So you can use this as toppers for cakes or something, or yeah, these are, oh my god, these are gorgeous. Or cards, you can make cards with them, like a hello card, how are you card, or any quirky card, fruit related quirky card. Oh, no. Okay, there you go. And then you get the usual, you get the usuals, which is a journal cards, and they're really nice journal cards. The quality of them are amazing. Love that. So you get 4 of them, and then you get the self-adhesive, like what you call this, sticker. Well, they're self-adhesive, obviously they're sticker, but they're kind of like address labels, or you can use them as like a journaling space in your journals. Get a little paper baggie, it's cherry, and you get this. This is, oh, I know, this is like gold strips, sticker strips. Here you go. So obviously, if you're gonna do some cards, you can use this to decorate your cards. You get some self-adhesive vinyls, and I've got, oh, that is so cute. I love it. Oh, so you get the instructions to go with that, and that's personalized. So if you order your box early or pre-order them, you get a personalized, you get your vinyls more likely than not personalized. And then you have these, oh, I wonder what this is. They look like they're stickers, like, yeah, look, little memo stickers to go in your planner. And you get lots. Oh my god, it's beautiful. And you get letter paper. So you get 1, 2 of each design, I'm guessing. So 2 strawberries, 2 lemons. Oh no, I lied. 3 strawberries. What else is in here? 4 of each. 4 lemons and 4 strawberries. Beautiful. And then you get the sticker seals for your envelopes, for your letter. And then you get your cards, your card stocks or special papers. So that's one. Oh, that's really nice. I love these pomegranate. And again, as I said, they're really good quality cardstock. I really love that. This one's quite thick. I would think this is like 300 GSM. Oh my goodness, everything's pretty. Lemon, all thick cardstock. This one's pineapple. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's my CraftyBonbons. This is my May CraftyBonbons box, and I really apologize if I have posted late. I have organized a planner meet, craft and planner meet, which I will share my haul in the next video, and probably share some photographs that I took, probably just the tables and the shops, a small video of what shops there are, because there are some people that might not be comfortable being seen on YouTube via photographs. So yeah, I'll share my haul. But anyway, I'm digressing and I'm changing topic. The the feature of this video is this beautiful subscription box. Again, I will link the shop in the description box below, or not the shop, but the Facebook group, so you can join us for fun, and then you can get sneak peeks from there. And thank you so much for watching, and give me a thumbs up if you like what I've shared again, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great week.